In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attach an image in AutoCAD. This process is essential for enhancing your designs with external visual materials, making your projects more comprehensive and visually appealing. So, let's dive right in and explore the step-by-step process to seamlessly attach an image to your AutoCAD workspace. The first step is to go to the Insert tab, where you will find a variety of tools for adding external references to your drawings. In the References panel, you'll notice an option labeled Attach. Go ahead and click it. This action opens up the Select Image File dialog box, where you will choose the image you want to include in your project. Now, there are a few methods you can use to specify which image to attach. If you have a specific file in mind, you can simply select its name from the list provided. Alternatively, you might want to browse your system. To do this, navigate to the File Name box and either type in the path and name of the file manually or use the Browse feature to locate it in your directories. Another option you have is to enter the URL of an image file directly into the File Name box, which is particularly handy if the image you need is hosted online. Once you've selected your image, click the Open button. This will bring up the Image dialog box, where you'll need to define how your image will be positioned and displayed in your drawing. There are two approaches here. The first is to let AutoCAD prompt you to specify an insertion point, scale, or rotation on screen using your pointing device. If this is your preference, ensure that the Specify on-screen option is selected. This method grants you the flexibility to dynamically set the position, scale, and angle of the image directly as you place it into your workspace. If you prefer more precision, you can opt to clear the Specify on-screen option. Instead, you'll manually enter specific values for the insertion point, scale, or rotation before placing the image. This approach is ideal if you have exact requirements for how the image should be integrated into your design. To gain additional insight into the details of your image, such as its unit of measurement, you can click the Details option within the Image dialog box. Understanding this can be beneficial, especially if you're working within a specific scale or need to maintain precise dimensions in relation to your drawing. Finally, once you've set all your parameters and are satisfied with your selections, click OK. Your image will then be attached to your AutoCAD project, positioned and scaled according to the options you've set. And there you have it. You've successfully integrated an image into your AutoCAD design.